Mevo Cloud. Power your digital future.
Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. Install the LAMP stack dependencies with the following command. After installation, check the Nginx services status with the next command. After that, check the mariadb services. And lastly, run the following command to verify the php-fpm services. Open the php-fpm configuration file and change the default configuration with the following. Save and close the file, then restart the php-fpm service. You can check the php-sock file with the next command. Log in into the MariaDB shell with the following command and run the next queries to create a new database and user. Now go to the next directory and unload the Joomla source code with the next command. Run the unzip command to extract the Joomla source code to the Joomla directory. Lastly, run the next command to change the ownership of the file. Create a new Nginx service file with the next command. Insert the configuration below and change the server name with your domain name or IP address. Now run the command below to activate the Joomla server block and verify your Nginx configuration. Lastly, run the next command to restart the Nginx services and apply your changes. Now open your web browser and visit your Joomla domain name. You will see the following. Select your default language and enter your site name. Enter the new admin user email and password. Here you need to enter details of your MariaDB user and database itself. After the installation is complete, click on the Open Site, open the default homepage, or open Administrator to access the Joomla Administrator dashboard. Now you can start work with Joomla. That's it. If you have any question, please leave them in comments.